In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay your Google Workspace bill. Since this requires a purchase plan, I won't be able to demonstrate the actual process directly, but no worries. I'll explain everything step by step, so listen carefully and follow along. First, let's go to google.com and then search for Google Help and then press enter. Click on the official Google Help link to access the Help Center. And then once you're on the Help Center page, use the search bar at the top and type how to pay Google Workspace bill, and this will bring up the official guide with all the instructions. Well, the overview of the payment process in here is log in the admin console at admin.google.com and then using administrator account. Then go to the billing section on the dashboard and then select the subscription you want to pay for. And then if you've already added a payment method, the system will automatically charge your card or account based on the billing cycle. Then if the payment failed or you want to pay manually, click make a payment and then enter the amount and confirm your payment method. After completing the payment, you'll receive a confirmation email and your account will stay active. And that's how to pay your Google Workspace bill. I hope this guide helps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.